Yes. Welcome back. See, just now we discussed one theorem, that is areas of similar triangles. Areas of similar triangles. So the areas of similar triangles are proportional to the squares of the corresponding sides. So today we learned one new property, that is areas of similar triangles are proportional to the squares of the corresponding sides. Now we have to use that statement, okay, use that concept. We have to work out few problems. Two problems we'll discuss. Then one exercise related to that one, we have to take it as a homework. Okay, that we will discuss in the next class. See here, one question we have. Example 1. In a triangle ABC, this triangle ABC, recording part is going. Okay. In a triangle ABC, XY parallel to BC. What is given here? XY parallel to BC. Okay, while explaining, okay, I'll draw the diagram afterwards. This is the triangle ABC. Okay, here XY parallel to BC. XY parallel to BC. So, and XY divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. XY divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. So, what we can observe is XY divides the triangle into two parts of equal areas. ಈ XY line ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ divides the triangle into two parts of equal area. Okay, so find BX divided by AB. What we have to find here? BX divided by AB we have to find. See, this BX divided by AB we have to find. So, two times I'll explain this problem. First, we'll discuss with the page, then we'll discuss on the board. Okay. In a triangle ABC, what is given actually? XY line parallel to BC. XY line parallel to BC. So, next, what we can write? Area of triangle ABC, can we write it as 2 times of area of triangle AXY, because it is given that XY line divides the triangle into two parts of equal area ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಬಿಗ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC ಯ ಏರಿಯಾ, ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ ಏರಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಬೆಟರ್ ಒಂಥರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ABC 2 times of triangle AXY ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ? Yes, we can take the result from the given data that total area of ABC triangle is equal to twice of the area of this triangle AXY. Okay, so this is first result. Next, area of triangle ABC. So here the area is over. Now triangle ABC is similar to triangle AXY. Why this triangle ABC is similar to triangle AXY? Yeah, why this triangle ABC, big triangle ABC is similar to triangle AXY? Who is ready to give the answer? Kripa? 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 Hello, Kripa? Kripa? Yes, Kripa? Kripa? No. Nikhil? Nikhil?
Yes, Mataji.
Nikhil, why triangle ABC is similar to triangle AXY?
Mataji, area equal unto. Area
equal unta. If the areas are equal, then can we say that the two triangles are similar?
No, Mataji.
Then Nutan?
XY parallel to BC. Therefore, AXY is equal to ABC by corresponding angles, and similarly, AYX is equal to ACB by corresponding angle.
ಎಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ನ. ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ನ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ, ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಬಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್. Angle y is equal to angle C because corresponding angles. So triangle AXY ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ angle, triangle ABC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ angle equal. In a triangle AXY this angle, in a triangle ABC this angle are equal. So AA criteria wise triangle ABC is similar to triangle AXY. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ reason XY line parallel to BC. If XY line parallel to BC, then we can take this triangle and the bigger triangle are similar. Okay, triangle ABC similar to triangle AXY. Now only we learn one new concept, that is area of ABC. This area of ABC similar triangles alva ABC ಮತ್ತೆ AXY similar ಅಂತ prove ಆಯ್ತು. Similar areas of similar triangles are proportional to the squares of the corresponding sides. We can take that result now. Area of ABC divided by area of AXY is equal to AB square. E triangle in the AB square divided by E triangle in the AX square. That is theorem of areas of similar triangles. Just now we proved, no? Okay. So that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle AXY is equal to AB square divided by AX square. Now AB square divided by AX square. Are you observing area of triangle ABC, area of triangle AXY? Here area of ABC, area of AXY ನ ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? So just wait for this one. Okay, the textbook ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. We'll take the help of board. In a triangle ABC, XY line parallel to BC line. So from the given data, we took area of a triangle ABC, which is equal to twice of 2 times of area of triangle AXY. So here we have this result, no? Area of triangle ABC, which is equal to 2 times of area of triangle AXY. And also we have area of triangle ABC similar to triangle AXY, because XY line is parallel to BC line. XY line is parallel to BC line. Now we got the result that area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle AXY, which is equal to, we took the result as AB square by AX square. Here you just observe this AB square by AX square. Area of ABC divided by area of AXY is equal to AB square by AX square. Okay, so got the idea now? So next what we have to substitute here, AB square by AX square. Area of ABC by area of AXY we have. What we have to substitute in this part? For that we have to take the help of this one. Okay, we have to take the help of this one. 1 second. Now the board is visible now, students. Area of ABC is equal to twice of area of AXY. No? Now I'll modify this one as area of triangle ABC. I'll take this AXY this side, that is divided by area of triangle AXY, which is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರಲಿ. So ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಕಡೆ just ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 2 by 1. Clear now? 2 by 1. We can modify this one as area of ABC is equal to 2 times of area of triangle AXY is there. No? Take this area of AXY this side, then it will becomes area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle AXY, which is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಇದೆ. So ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ just 1, 2 divided by 1. So ratio of area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle AXY is equal to 2 divided by 1. Now substitute 2 by 1 which is equal to AB square divided by AX square. Okay, so AB square divided by AX square. 2 by 1 is equal to AB square divided by AX square. Here are you observing the square power both sides? So that is 2 by 1 is equal to AB by AX whole square. So 2 by 1, okay, is equal to AB by AX whole square. Can we transfer this power 2 to this side? Then this is what happens? Root 2 by 1 is equal to AB by AX. What will get actually? Root 2 by 1 is equal to AB by AX. Therefore, in the next step, AB by AX is equal to root 2 divided by 1 result will get, because square root of 1 is 1 only. So only root 2 by 1. Up to root 2 by 1, have you got the idea now? So root 2 divided by 1. AB by AX which is equal to root 2 divided by 1. So now again, you just see this one. Up to this got the clear picture. Now first step you have got the idea. Up to this, okay, 2 by 1, then root 2 by 1. So what they did in the next part, they took the reciprocal part. So reciprocal in the sense AB by AX becomes AX by AB, then root 2 by 1 which is equal to 1 by root 2. So next, so we have to subtract this LHS part and RHS part from 1. So that is for the sake of the proof, okay. So 1 minus 1 by root 2 which is equal to 1 minus AX by AB. So next we'll get, after the LCM method, root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 which is equal to AB minus AX divided by AB. Then root 2 minus 1 by root 2 which is equal to, in the figure, AB minus AX in the sense that is BX divided by AB. Now ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು BX divided by AB ನೆಯ. So here we got the result BX by AB. Next step ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 minus root 2 by 2. ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ತಲೆ ಕೆಳಗಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು, ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇದು ನಾವು 9th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ. Already we know this, how we got root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2. In the very next step, direct agi 2 minus root 2 by 2 hegaitu. Who is ready to give the answer? Very simple, very easy topic actually. Arun?
LCM method.
LCM. Illi LCM okay Arun, illi LCM. But illi ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ರೂಟ್ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಸಿಎಂ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ನಾವು, ಬೇಡ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬಂತು? ಯಾ, ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಜೀವನ್. ಹೆಲೋ ಜೀವನ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ. ಓ, ಧ್ರುವ. ಧ್ರುವ.
Yes, Mataji.
ಯಾ, ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್?
Don't know.
Don't know. Oh, what is this? Kripa. Kripa. Yeah, Charan is raising hand. Charan, your turn is over. Okay, Soumya Hegde. Yeah, Soumya Hegde. Soumya Hegde.
Rationalizing the denominator.
Yes, very good, Soumya. Correct answer. See, correct tag nodi itara problem. Rationalize the denominator. Here in the denominator place, we have irrational number. After the rationalization of the denominator, we got this result. Or adun ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. But we have to do that one, rationalization of the denominator. Very good, Soumya. Okay. After the rationalization of the denominator, we got the result Bx by AB is equal to 2 minus root 2 divided by 2. Okay. So, you want explanation for this on the board? No? We'll start that explanation first. We'll stop sharing. Wait. Yeah, stop sharing. Okay, up to this you have got the clear picture now. Yeah, now what we have to write is AB by X is equal to root 2 by 1. Now we have to take the reciprocal, that is ax by ab is equal to 1 by root 2. So we have to take the reciprocal, that is ax by ab is equal to 1 by root 2. So now what we have to do, we have to subtract these two from 1, that is 1 minus ax by ab is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. Whatever rules you are applying for the LHS part now, we have to apply that for the RHS also. 1 minus ax by ab, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by root 2. So now here we have to take the LCM method. Here, can I write here? Board is visible now, students. Then here LCM is ab. Then here AB into 1, AB minus AX, which is equal to, here also 1, root 2 into 1, that is root 2 only LCM, then root 2 minus 1. AB minus AX by AB, which is equal to root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2. From the figure, AB minus AX, AB minus AX ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇನು BX. So BX divided by AB, which is equal to root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2. Actually question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿರೋದು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ, BX by AB only we need, but in the denominator we are observing irrational number. We have one plus point with us, that is we know the method of rationalization of the denominator. That one we can use this time. Okay, rationalization of the denominator concept. Can I revise once rationalization of the denominator concept? So what we have to do for this rationalization of the denominator? Okay, so where can I use this side? Yes, can I use this side? What result we got actually? Root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 result we got. In the denominator we have the irrational number, that is root 2. Okay, so it is not a binomial, no monomial, that's why root 2 divided by root 2. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? 1 by root 2 rationalize ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ? With the same denominator for both numerator and denominator we have to multiply alva. So now we have to follow the same step. Root 2 minus 1 into root 2, that is root 2 into root 2. In the next step we'll get root 2 minus 1 into root 2, that is here only we will do the multiplication. Root 2 into root 2 whole square. Then minus 1 into root 2, that is 1 root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 whole square. So what we'll get actually, here square root get cancelled, 2 minus root 2 as it is divided by, here also square root cancel. This result 2 minus root 2 divided by 2. How you got 2 minus root 2 divided by 2? After the rationalization of the denominator. I think this is your textbook example only, no? Only one example problem you have in the textbook. Okay, that is this one. Got the idea of this problem now? Yes, we'll move back to this page. Only one example problem you have in the textbook, that is this one only. Try to understand this properly. Not a complicated problem, but little bit confusion in the sense alert. We have to be very alert. So ABC parallel, this one, this result is given data only, then similar according to this AA criteria is. Okay, adnella barkota kutkolod beda. Understood idu? Next we took this result because now only we learned that areas of similar triangles are proportional to the squares of the corresponding sides. So next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ABC ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ AXY ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2/1 ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 2/1 is equal to AB square by AX square. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕಳಿಸಿದಾಗ ರೂಟ್ 2/1 ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದರ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ವಿ ಉಲ್ಟಾ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ 1 ಇಂದ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we'll get this step. Then we got the answer BX by AB as this one, but we need the perfect answer, that is after the rationalization of the denominator we got the answer in the form of 2 minus root 2 divided by 2. Okay, so this is about the result. Is that clear, students? Yes. Forty-one. ಸಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಗೆ ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಓಕೆ ಎಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ದಟ್ is it blur? Okay, it is visible, no? Okay. If the area of two similar triangles are equal. So here we have one more problem, that is, this is an old textbook problem. If the area of two similar triangles are equal, then they are congruent. Prove ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Areas of two similar triangles are equal ante. Similar triangles having the equal area, then we have to prove that the two triangles are congruent. So data is triangle ABC similar to triangle DEF. Similar triangle given. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of DEF. It is given actually. Two triangles are similar and having equal area. That is area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DEF. What we have to prove here? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF we have to show. So proof. For this we'll use the areas of similar triangles concept, that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to which result? That is AB square by DE square, AB square by DE square, BC square by EF square, CA square by DF square. Okay, theorems of areas of similar triangles. Now, here we took area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to 1. Why this ratio equal to 1? Because area of this is equal to this. Whatever we substitute, for example, 36, 1 alla. Hagagi 1 is equal to this AB square by DE square is equal to BC square by EF square, which is equal to CA square by FD square. By data, areas are equal. We got this result. Now, we have to compare these two separately. 1 is equal to this one madana first step alli. Next 1 is equal to BC square by EF square. Then 1 is equal to this one. Andre ee 1 is equal to AB square by DE square ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ DE square ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ AB square is equal to 1 into DE square ಅಂದ್ರೆ AB square is equal to DE square na. Yes, AB square is equal to DE square in the sense AB is equal to DE alva. For example, idu 2 illu 2 idre 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4. So square equal ide andre adra root ಕೂಡ equal ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ. AB square is equal to DE square in the sense AB by DE, AB is equal to DE. Next, compare this one with this one. 1 is equal to BC square by EF square ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ EF square into 1 ಏನಾಯಿತು? That is BC square is equal to EF square. So that if therefore BC is equal to EF, then again 1 is equal to CA square by FD square. That is CA square is equal to FD square. That is CA which is equal to FD. See, yes. Two triangles compare ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. AB is equal to DE result we got. BC is equal to EF result we got. And that CA is equal to FD result we got. So, three sides of this triangle equal to three sides of this triangle. So, therefore, according to yes congruency criteria, the area, triangle ABC congruence to triangle DEF. Very simple problem, no? So, very important question, students. So, they may ask in the proof part. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. If the area of two similar triangles are equal, similar triangles ನ ಏರಿಯಾ equal ಇದ್ದಾಗ the triangles are congruent ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಾಟಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು, ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಟುಕ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೀಸ್ ಟು ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ 1 ಮಾಡಿ, ಅವಾಗ ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ 1 ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ 1. 3 ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಆಲ್ ದ 3 sides of one triangle which is equal to all the 3 sides of the other triangle, then according to yes congruency criteria we can say that these two triangles are said to be congruent to each other. Got the idea of this problem, no? Yes, from this we'll end the class. Okay, so you have to work out. First you have to write the theorem part. Theorem you write it neatly. Okay, then afterwards copy these 2 example problems. Then you have to start with the exercise problems. That is homework for you people. Yes, now we'll end the class. If you are having any confusion, please send me the message first. because next Divya Mataji will continue the class. Take 5 minutes break. Okay, then join with the same link or Mataji will send the link. Okay. Yeah, don't go anywhere. Oh, 36. Why 35? It's time for discussion. No doubts.